since we just experienced a turbo hose disconnection, you just go over what that sounded like for everybody else to know? And what it felt like? You lost power, I'm sure.
It sounds a lot like somebody suddenly let all the air out of a tire. I guess you could say.
That's accurate. That's really accurate.
But the way you know the difference is you suddenly have loss of power and they'll so it's just a and then every time you get on the gas again it's
excellent.
so you pull off to the side of the road, you get out a screwdriver, lotion up the hands, put on a black t-shirt and dive in. Could have been a 10-minute job, but I took my time to try to make sure that damn hose clamp doesn't come off again, because we've had some hose clamp issues on this trip. Every time when we're, not every mountain, but every time we've had issues, we're climbing a mountain. It's either been radiator hoses or turbo hoses, and after the second radiator hose blew, I took a look around and tightened all the hose clamps I could, just gave them all a little tweak, including this one that blew today. I specifically remember that one looked like the hose clamp was edging toward the end of the hose, so I loosened it, pushed the hose in a little farther, tightened it back up, and yet that's the one that blew today.
Go figure.
It just let go. It didn't blow the hose. It just came out from between the clamp and the nipple.
Okay, we'll get some shots of that
I
later.
said nipple.
You said nipple. Jesus. Go on, back up. One more time. One more time. One more time.